In this video, I'll show you how to check crypto fees on Robinhood using the mobile app. If you want to understand the costs involved when buying, selling, or transferring cryptocurrency, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon and open any cryptocurrency available in your portfolio or watch list. From there, tap the trade button to start creating a buy or sell order. Before confirming the order, Robinhood usually shows an order preview screen with important transaction details. Carefully review this page because it may include pricing information, spreads, estimated costs, or network fees depending on the type of transaction. For crypto transfers, such as sending Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency to an external wallet, Robinhood may display blockchain network fees before you complete the transfer. To check fees for completed transactions, go back to the home screen and tap your profile icon in the bottom corner. Open the History or Statements section and select a crypto transaction from your activity list. Here, you can review the transaction details, including the execution price and any fees or spreads involved in the trade. If you want more detailed records, you can also download your account statements or tax documents from the Account Settings section. Keep in mind that Robinhood may not always charge a separate commission fee for crypto trades, but the final trade price can still include a spread based on market conditions. Prices can move quickly in the crypto market, so the execution price may differ slightly from the displayed market price. And that's how you can check crypto fees on Robinhood. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.